Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, is a widely used culinary ingredient with a long history of medicinal use. Its numerous health benefits have been recognized for centuries in various cultures. Here are some of the key benefits of garlic in the human body. Boosts immune system. Garlic contains compounds that enhance the immune system's response, helping the body defend against infections, viruses, and harmful bacteria. Regular consumption of garlic can reduce the risk of catching common illnesses like colds and flu. Cardiovascular health. Garlic has been associated with promoting heart health. It helps lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and inhibit the formation of blood clots, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Antioxidant properties. Garlic is rich in antioxidants such as allicin, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting cells from damage and reducing oxidative stress. Anti-inflammatory effects. The active compounds in garlic possess anti-inflammatory properties that may help alleviate inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, and garlic's anti-inflammation is linked to various diseases, and garlic's anti-inflammatory effects can be beneficial for overall health. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of garlic may be associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, including stomach, colon, and prostate cancers. The organosulfur compounds in garlic are believed to contribute to its anti-cancer properties. Improved digestion. Garlic can aid in improving digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. It may also help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, promoting better gut health. Detoxification. Garlic supports the liver in its detoxification processes, helping to eliminate toxins from the body and improve overall liver function. Bone health. Garlic is a good source of manganese, which plays a role in maintaining bone health and preventing bone-related diseases like osteoporosis. Regulates blood sugar. Studies suggest that garlic may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Natural antibacterial and antifungal. Garlic's potent antimicrobial properties can help combat bacterial and fungal infections. It has been traditionally used to treat various skin infections and respiratory issues. Aids weight management. Garlic may aid in weight management by promoting satiety and reducing unhealthy cravings, leading to better control of food intake. It's important to note that while garlic offers numerous health benefits, it should be part of a balanced and varied diet. As with any supplement or medicinal food, individual reactions may vary, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or health routine. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful or entertaining, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. By subscribing to my channel, you'll be notified whenever I post new content, and it would mean the world to me to have you as a part of our Primary Basics TV community. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so you never miss any of my latest uploads. I love reading your comments and getting to know you all, so feel free to drop any questions or thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.